In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter discount codes on Gumroad. We'll start right from your Gumroad dashboard. Once you're logged into your account, head over to your main dashboard page. This is your control center where you manage products, customers, and of course, your checkout settings. From the dashboard, look for the checkout section and click on it. This is where Gumroad keeps everything related to payments and discounts. It might be in the top navigation or on the left sidebar, depending on your layout, but it will be clearly labeled Checkout. Inside the Checkout area, find and click on the Discounts tab or the section that says Discounts. Then click on New Discount. This is where you'll create a fresh discount code that your customers can use at checkout. First, you'll see a field for the discount name. Click into that name field and type in a clear, descriptive name. This is just for you and your internal tracking. So choose something that helps you remember what the discount is for, like Launch Week 20 or newsletter subscribers. Next, you'll see the discount code field. This is the actual code your customers will type in during checkout. Click into this field and add your own custom code, such as Launch 20 or Summer Sale. Keep it simple and easy to remember. If you don't want to come up with a code yourself, you can click on the regenerate icon right next to that field. Gumroad will automatically generate a random code for you. This is useful if you want something unique or less likely to be guessed. Below that, you'll see the products field. Here, you can choose exactly which products this discount will apply to. Click into the field and select one or more products. Or, if you want the same discount to work across your entire store, simply check the box that says All Products. Then you'll choose the discount type. In the type section, you can select percentage if you want to give, for example, 10% or 25% off. After choosing percentage, click into the percentage field and enter the exact number you want. Alternatively, you can choose fixed amount instead. This means you're giving a specific dollar or currency amount off. Once you select fixed amount, click into the field beneath it and enter the amount you want to discount, such as 5 or 10. Near the bottom, you'll find the settings section. Here you can toggle on a few optional limitations. You can limit the quantity, meaning how many times this code can be used in total. You can limit the validity period, so the code only works between certain dates. You can also set a minimum qualifying amount, which requires customers to spend a certain amount to use the discount, and a minimum quantity, which can be handy if the discount should only apply when someone buys multiple items. When everything looks good and you're happy with your settings, scroll back up to the top of the page. In the top right corner, click on Add Discount. Gumroad will save your new